Discover the world's rarest birds. Ever wondered what the rarest birds on Earth look like? Prepare to be amazed by these feathered wonders. Meet the kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand. It's critically endangered, known for its owl-like face and mossy green feathers. Conservation efforts are crucial to save this unique bird. The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, is a magnificent bird of prey. Sadly, deforestation threatens its habitat, making it one of the rarest eagles in the world. Its striking appearance is truly captivating. The Spix's macaw, a vibrant blue parrot, was once extinct in the wild. Thanks to dedicated breeding programs, it's making a comeback. Witness the beauty of this rare species and the hope for its future. These incredible birds need our help. Learn more about conservation efforts, donate to organizations protecting endangered species, and spread awareness. Let's work together to ensure these rare birds thrive for generations to come. Click the link in the description to donate now and help save these amazing creatures.